All right, we are recording. These are our teams. Everything should be in uniform because these are all college. These are all NBA products. Standard college uniform rules would go if, in fact, there are some in college. Multiplayer cards got to earn 50% or more. That's 2 of a 3-way, 2 of a 4-way, 3 of a 6-way, 4 of an 8-way. If we get 8 points or non-basketball cards, they'd be random to everybody in the break. If we get redemptions, we'll make sure they get to the team whose uniform they would be in. Good luck. We'll do certified first. Those have a little bend in them. Oh. Well, there is a product called Vanguard, though. What's up, Mr. Walt? Mr. Walt, you had... Let me see who you had. Mr. Walt, you had the Broncos in football. I don't remember them hitting anything. Rookie. Wow, we're starting off with Chicago Bulls. Signed, sealed, and delivered to 99, Tony Kukoc for the Bulls. I wasn't expecting to get a hit so quick. Landry. Yeah, he is, but you know how Will God is. Enes Kanter to 149 for the Knickerbockers. $39 of 49. Aziz Johnson. Dummy card. Man, they got him going every which way. $199 rookie for the Dallas Mavericks, Jalen. Insert. 2 of 5 certified potential. Colin Sexton on card. Green for the Cavaliers. Jay Schultze. I know you had Cavaliers last night. Red rookie for the T-Wolves. Insert. Base. Insert. Miles Bridges, rookie. Jacob Evans. Dummy card. It's always the one at the case after you got him. these put up. All right, we'll do select next. Empty box. The Cavaliers owner's not in the room. Username or user. This break's not over yet. This one might have a Giannis in it. These are the two longest boxes out of the whole break, probably. X Factor for the Suns, Jamal Crawford. Number 299. Mo Bamba, Luka, insert. To 75 for the New Orleans, Nikola Murkovic. Dummy card. Shiny card for the Blazers. Taj Gibson, Prism. Draymond Green to 175. Rookie. For the Trailblazers, Gary Trent Jr. on card rookie autograph number to 199 for the Trailblazers. Second half. Zaire Smith, shiny card not numbered. Josh Okogie, rookie shiny card. Grayson Allen, rookie. Sabonis for the Pacers, $2.99. Jaren Jackson, rookie, dummy card. Fultz to $2.49. Should have one more autograph. Colin Sexton, refractor. For the Bulls, Wendell Carter Jr. Rookie Prism, base. All right, let's do the Crown Royal next. Empty box. Oh yeah, this stuff is hard to hold on to. Kevin Knox, rookie. Base. Kelly Oubre Jr., bronze to 99. To 75, Robert Williams III, rookie royalty die cut for the Celtics. Bradley Beal for the Wizards. Not numbered. And Aaron Holiday for the Pacers to 199. All right, we'll do contenders next. Six packs on each side. I didn't open very much of this stuff. (16 to 25) cracked ice base, Dirk Nowitzki for the Mavericks. The Dirkster. So we did get a cracked ice base. For the Sacramento Kings, very nice, to 35. On card, Marvin Bagley III. That's a top rookie. Winning ticket, Kyrie. Insert for the 76ers. DeAndre Jordan. Chrome, not numbered. There's a De'Aaron Fox conference final ticket. Numbered to 135. We had the Kings. That's a pretty nice hit for the Kings. Mel B. Mel R. (19 of 35). That's not bad. Cracked ice, Dirk Nowitzki. Lottery ticket for the Hawks. Legendary contenders to 99, Damian Stoudemire. I think he just, Mr. Blaine, did he just get hired to coach a team in China? Damian Stoudemire? I think I saw that. There's the winning ticket that's not cracked ice, Dirk Nowitzki. I'm pretty sure I read that he got hired to coach a team in China. Insert, base. Grizzly Adams, Chrome. DeMarcus Cousins, playoff ticket. All right, let's do cornerstones next. Stephen Marbury, was it Stoudemire? Okay. For some reason, I knew it was one of the guys from that era, Oh, yeah. Thank you, Kevin. Lonzo for the Lakers to 139. Where's my 75 points at? Buddy Hyde, unbreakable for the Kings, not numbered. Nine of 49 for the Pistons, Andre Drummond. Steve Nash for the Suns, not numbered. Relic. Also for the Suns, T.J. Warren to 129. And we got a thick one, so I guess we got a short print cornerstones because it seems thicker than regular. Eli Okobu. It's just a regular 199. It just looks really thick. That was a Suns box. All 3 hits were Suns. Can you imagine that? Way to go, Panini. You guys are awesome. NT Teacher doesn't mind. NC Teacher doesn't mind. Sean. It's like, I'll take all Suns in that box. Alright. Absolutely. It's been a long time since I opened Absolutely. Jalen Brunson is your encased card. There's no good way to do this. Lonnie Walker to 199. And not bad, Mo Bamba to 149 for the Magic. Sticks on the board with some Mo Bamba RPA. Finally, Sticks has come back. Well, we still got a major portion of the hits to go. We still have Dominion and Spectre. They have the most hits out of everything. Porzingis for the Knickerbockers. Still in the Knickerbockers there. These clear packs are so hard to get open without showing you what's going down. Well, Jared Vanderbilt for the Nuggos. And Chauncey Billups for the Pistons. Chauncey is 73 of 99. Alright. I guess we'll go Dominion next. Spectre last. Nate Sexton for the Cavaliers. Dennis Smith Jr. to 25 for the Mavericks. I'll go at the top. Well, that's pretty cool. 10 of 10. 10 of 10. 3-color patch. Luka Doncic. 10 of 10 for the Mavericks. Pretty nice card. For the Blazers, Arvydas Sabonis. 13 of 49 on card. Main exhibits autograph for the Blazers. For the Warriors, Jacob Evans III. 29 of 49 RPA for the Warriors. Warriors come out and play. Bernard King for the Knickerbockers. 27 of 49. And Moritz Wagner to 49 for the Lakers. What a crazy, nice signature that is. He took a lot of time to get that sucker on the sticker there. Good job, Moritz. All right, Spectra is the last box of the break. Sometimes you just got to laugh, Kiefer. Sometimes you just got to laugh at these guys. Oh, we got the case hit. We got a case hit in a single box. We got the headliners. Enes Kanter for the Knickerbockers. I know that was part of my joke. Ben Simmons for the 76ers. Leo. Headliners, that's one of the case hits out of the Spectra. Not bad when you only got one box out of the case. For the Rockets, Chris Paul to 75. You know, we were talking about that at the card shop today. A guy brought in a Durant, and it was a pretty sloppy autograph on a jersey. And we were looking on eBay. And I was like, well, this is a Panini signing. It should be nice and neat. We looked at the autograph on the jersey from a Panini signing, and it was just as bad. They don't have any kind of quality control. Atlanta Hawks, Kevin Huerter. They just don't have... They don't have any kind of quality control. Yogi Ferrell for the Kings. Yogi Ferrell for the Kings. 16 of 60. For the Pistons, Reggie Jackson. Dave Cowens for the Celtics, award winner. And the last hit of the break, going this way. Wow, what a break for the Kings. Another Marvin Bagley. For the Kings, Marvin Bagley, RPA base, RPA to $2.99. But a couple nice Bagleys for the Kings. Mel B, Mel R. Let me get these put up, and we'll roll the dice for a case. I'm not picking the case this time. I suck. I suck at picking the case. All right, 1, 2 is the top case. 3, 4 is the middle case. 5, 6 is the bottom case. Single die. 5, 6 is the bottom case. Bottom case.